Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my pupils. So today for our writing task, okay, you can find the task on page 92 of your textbook. So on this page, let's take a look at task number 3. Okay, the task is read this writing task. Circle the subject of the report and underline what you have to write about. Okay, so the sample writing question is your college has decided to start its own TV channels for students. So the subject of the report that you are going to see later is okay, TV channel for students. Yeah, that is the subject of the report. Tajuk laporan yang akan kamu baca di bawah. You have been asked to write a report for the college decan college about the types of programs it could show in order to provide information and entertainment for students. Okay. Kamu telah diminta untuk menulis laporan kepada dekan college berkenaan jenis-jenis program yang boleh disiarkan untuk memberikan maklumat dan hiburan kepada pelajar-pelajar, explaining why they would be popular. Jelaskan kenapa kenapa rancangan-rancangan berkenaan akan menjadi popular di kalangan pelajar. Write your report in between 140 and 190 words. Okay. So let's take a look at task 4. Read the sample report that was written in answer to the writing task in 3. Baca laporan di bawah yang ditulis untuk menjawab soalan dalam tugasan nombor 3. Underline the suggestions made in the passive. Gariskan cadangan yang ditulis dalam ayat passive. Then answer the questions below. You don't have to answer the question on page 92. Okay. So, okay, the suggestions have been underlined in red. The first one is programs about different areas of the college could be shown every week. Program tentang kawasan ataupun bahagian yang berbeza di college mungkin boleh disiarkan setiap minggu. And the next suggestion is useful information such as bus timetables could be included. Maklumat berguna seperti jadual bas mungkin juga boleh disertakan. Okay, next one for entertainment, the first suggestion is video clips on films and bands could also be shown. Video clip tentang filem dan band mungkin juga boleh disiarkan. And the next suggestion is multicultural themes could also be included. Tema pelbagai budaya boleh juga disiarkan di dalam TV college. So this college is quite modern, advanced, okay, because they may have their own television channel. Okay. Okay, next one. Can we take a look at task 5 on page 93? Okay. Okay, here, task number 5. Okay. The task is you can often show the reason for your suggestion by describing the result. Kamu boleh menunjukkan alasan untuk cadangan anda dengan menceritakan tentang kesan ataupun hasil keputusan itu. Match the suggestion about what to print in a new college magazines with their result. Padankan cadangan yang akan dicetak dalam majalah sekolah dengan kesannya. Okay, hasilnya. Okay, suggestions. Number 1, games and puzzle, permainan dan teka-teki. Okay, the result is it can inspire creativity. Okay, memberikan kreativiti, melahirkan kreativiti, okay? Inspirasi untuk lebih kreatif. Next one. Okay, poems and short stories. Okay, sorry. Number one, the first suggestion. Okay, I'm sorry. Pardon me. Number one, games and puzzle. Okay, it can be fun and enjoyable. Okay, permainan dan teka-teki, quiz. Ia akan menjadi lebih menarik. Okay, dan digemari ramai. Number two, poems and short stories. It can inspire creativity. Boleh menimbulkan minat atau kreatif di kalangan pelajar. Number three, a problem page. Muka surat menyeluahkan masalah. Okay, it helps students who have similar worries, membantu pelajar yang mungkin ada kebimbangan yang sama. Number four, interviews with successful former student. Temu ramah dengan bekas pelajar yang cemerlang. It can be interesting and would give students good role models. Okay, menarik dan boleh memberikan contoh pada pelajar-pelajar yang sedia ada. Okay, number six, photograph of sports competition winners. It makes students feel proud of the college. Membuatkan pelajar bangga dengan college mereka. Number six, news and information about the college. It can be helpful, especially for new students. Okay. And lastly, readers' letters. Surat dari pembaca. It gives students a chance, peluang, to give their point of view, untuk memberikan pandangan sendiri. Okay, now here is the writing task. Task number 7. Not number 7, number 8. I'm sorry. Read this writing task and then use the plan and the language bank to help you write your report. Baca tugasan penulisan di bawah dan gunakan plan seperti muka surat sebelumnya. And the language bank here, okay, the ones in green, in this, not green, orange box, okay, to help you write your report, untuk membantu anda menulis laporan. Don't forget to give reasons for your suggestions and recommendation. Jangan lupa untuk memberikan alasan sebab untuk setiap cadangan dan cadangan anda, same thing. Okay, so the question is, your college has decided to start its own monthly magazine for students. College anda telah mengambil keputusan untuk memulakan majalah bulanan sendiri untuk pelajar-pelajar. You have been asked to write a report for the college dean. Awak telah disuruh untuk menulis laporan kepada dekan college about the types of regular features and article it could include. Kamu kena menulis laporan kepada dekan college tentang jenis regular features, mean ciri-ciri ataupun ruangan yang biasa ada di majalah, okay, majalah universiti. And articles it could include, artikel yang boleh disertakan. Explaining why they would be interesting for student. Jelaskan mengapa artikel berkenaan akan menarik minat pelajar-pelajar. Write your reports in 140 and 190 words. Okay, the plan. Okay, this plan is similar to the previous sample report on the college television channel. So the first one, title. Of course, you need to write a title report on the college monthly magazine, or report on monthly college magazine. Report on monthly college magazine. Okay, next one, heading 1. Okay, describe what regular features could be included and why. So the heading, tajuk perenggan, you write regular features. Yeah? And for regular features, you can find here, okay, ruangan yang biasa diadakan. For example, college news page, halaman berita universiti, reviews, okay, columns editorial, problem page, horoscope, bintang, meramal bintang, sports result, games, puzzles and crosswords, and lastly competition. So here are the regular features that you think should be included in the college magazine. Okay, and give reason why you want to include such features in your college magazine. And the second heading is describe what types of articles could be included and why. So the heading title is articles here, articles. So headings, okay, regular first heading is regular features, second one articles, and for the article that you can include in the college magazine such as interviews, careers advice, fashion or shopping, music features, and current affairs, hal ehwal semasa. And in the last paragraph heading, recommendation, cadangan, what other suggestion that you want to include besides, okay, these articles, these headings, article and regular features. Okay. Okay. So, uh, I want you to write this report. Simply follow the sample report given. Okay, the reports on the college television magazine. Just follow exactly like that. Okay, take that as a sample. Okay, then I'm going to give you a Google form for you to send your composition, your report. Okay, so I hope this time around more pupils will send, okay, their homework. Okay, if you have any questions, simply, okay, DM me, direct message, or PM me anytime. I'll try my best to respond to your question. So till then, enjoy your day and good luck. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.